morning, traders. Good morning, everybody. This is not a financial advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes. Your trades are your own. Um, we're doing our daily checkout on the stocks. I like Walmart this morning. If you've been following with us on our trades, this is a narrow range right here. That's what we look for in the morning on the 2 minutes time frame. We're looking for tight before the open. And what we see here is I like Walmart looks really good. I like I think Boeing too. Let's see. Boeing looking good. If I can find it. They're all in front of my face and I can't even see it. There you go. Also Boeing in a tight range right here. Somewhat okay. So it's going to open at 216, which is right here. So it might pop to 217. So, and there's, I think, what else? Coming Pro company. Where is it? Right here. I don't know. I don't like it. So we'll stick to those two right here. We'll see how they open, and we'll try to trade them. Let's see if we can get it to Boeing before the market opens. That's kind of tight. 200 somewhat flattish. This one here is pretty flat right here. And we'll see. Let's see how these going to open. So Walmart so far is getting up here. That's BA. Oh, that's Walmart right here. 120.30. So it's going to open somewhere around here. Where is that? Right there. 120.88. Market opened. Walmart dropped. We don't do nothing. If it's above the 200 and the bar is red, we don't do nothing. Oh, I need to go to my... That turns green. I'm going to wait at least a minute and 49 seconds. See, that's what happens when you rush in. This one here is kind of tricky. Oh, wow, missed it. We're going to take Boeing long here. Let's reload. It shot us way up here. I don't know why, but all right. See if we can make our money fast. We're making $250 on. I'm gonna cash out some of this. Cashed out four. We're up like $290. Let's reload. We're out of the position. We made like $600 on Walmart the first minute of the day. On Boeing, sorry. Let me still have 200 shares long. It's acting up, man. I think we sold out. Let's reload because it's paper money. You have to reload it. So we exit the position. We made like $500 on this play. Beautiful play. Very proud of it. Visa. I need to go back to. I like Walmart. It crashed through that 200, broke it into pieces. So. Okay, it pulled back. It pulled back. I bet you Boeing still going. Let's see how this gonna go. I like this. See how it got tight? We should have another bar on this push right here. You only take Walmart if it cracks this one right here. But it already broke that 200. They shattered it, so it's weakening it. Don't let that fool you. It might be a short. And this one literally pulled 80% of that play. This is a neutral bar right here, so it doesn't mean anything. Nothing happened. Okay. You see this bar right here? I know it's green, but it broke this 200 here. So, like, let's say you have a wall and somebody just penetrated that wall. It's weak. So, also this bar dropped 80% right to here. Put the stop right here. Let's see if it takes this one. Might take it long again. I think it's this one. I'm not sure. Trying to open the view, the bars. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on this right here for right now. It should be a short as of right now. I'm gonna short 100 Walmart. Put my stop above that right here. I want to see how this one reacts. Usually when you come back from a green and a massive bar like this, you crack it just to barely. It might pull back. Those green bars are solid. If this one collapses below this red line, I might add to it. I like Walmart more than this right here. I can catch the play from the start. I'm gonna take this one short again. I added another 100 to it. This one is holding so far. Oh, I'm gonna up this above the SMAs. Just don't want to get whacked right here for 20 bucks, you know? I'd rather just let it hit these, confirm, and drop. Because this might be like a long drop. Because it's starting right off the 200. I'm going to wait on it. If you can spot something else. Oh, Starbucks. That's a beautiful trade. See? Tight range. Boom. Arms got crushed. I'm going to take arm long here. Just to that 8, nothing else. Right in the middle, actually. This is very volatile stock. Arm long. It's way overextended. See if we can get this play. Come on, arm. Give us that $353. There we go. And one more push. Come on, come on, come on. I'm going to take one right here on arm. I'm going to move my stop to break even on it. I'm not giving any money back. Oh, we got stopped out, I guess. I don't know what happened. Did it hit the target? It's supposed to hit that target, but Walmart is working beautiful. So far, I'm making some money on Walmart. Need 3 fat bars. I don't know what happened on arm. I think it hit the target already. It did hit our target because we're making 9,128. Made the 176 because when I was dragging it, it just went above the target. See it right here, right there. So far, we're up $600 for the day. Okay. This is this Irene. See what Apple's doing. Apple's dropping. Nvidia. Sorry, guys. Hate getting Texas in the morning. So dropped here, got whacked, went back up. Don't like this. I don't like it. Palantir. We're going to move our stop to break even on Walmart. What you want to do, and I'm going to take I'm going to take 25 off. It drops to that 19. So I'll walk away with some money if it goes back. But it's right, it's starting, see like how it's starting right off the 200. The reason I didn't take it long right here, like I said, when you have a bar like this comes up and smashes into that 200, it weakens it. And then you don't want, like, even if you see a pokey here, you better watch out. And exactly that's what happened. It kept going back because this support here is no longer valid. It got crushed. Okay, it got crushed. So this could run like to probably possibly to the 118. Needed to drop more just for it not to take our break even. Let's see if Walmart continue with that play. Okay, I can't see your guys' comments or chat, whatever it is. Trying to find it, but I don't know where that is. I haven't messed with this in so long. It's under views. I know it is here. I want the speaker. What's right here, chats? Oof. All right, we're back. I kind of forgot. I kept skipping it. Good morning, everybody. Let's continue with Walmart. Let's look for another opportunity here. I don't want to overtrade and give this money back. CC strategy dumped Apple. Nvidia now. We're going to take another 25 at Walmart right here. That's 4 pushes so far. Let's see if we drop some more. Okay, we took one off. And we let it drop. It's going to be a beautiful trade right here. This one here, we missed it. No, actually, no, I wouldn't take it because this was red. Took it back up now. It's reading above it. Not bad. It's the Ubers rallying. Alphabet. This one, I was looking at it this morning. I was going to take this one wrong. Ooh. Oracle moves. But it usually takes your money. It's a wicked stock. See, like all these right here. Then it took off. Shot up here, then shot up here. Got liquidated here. Trying to see something we can enter. Here's the beast. MU. Oof. This is a solid red. Should have a little follow through, but I don't want to mess with it right now. You have to live through this pullback right here at Walmart. Hopefully we don't get it, but if we you're gonna have like a 3-bar pullback. It's about at the 50% right here. They should have another leg. Second legs usually like they do run very. If we survive this one and it doesn't pull back all the way, the second leg will be massive. Be a good play. Can squeeze another probably $200 out of it, $100. See, nothing is happening here. It's accumulating. I'm going to short arm one here. See if we can get it to that 8. Just to this bar right here. I don't want to give too much on it. We'll pull in $137 on this play. Be quick. Pull my stop to break even. There we go. Should have took it already. Beautiful. Should have took it. All right. Pulled in another $137. Beautiful play. We're up like $700 so far for the day. Walmart's still working out. We made another 137 right here on ARM. Let's see. See how Walmart is? It's clear here because I squeezed it. Here comes leg 2 on Walmart, okay? Let's see. Be taking profit at 118.02. For sure going to that 118. Or we're making $1 on it. We shorted at 1967. We're making about $1.10. So let's take one off. Took another 25 shares off. Take another one off. We'll leave 100 shares. We're risking $100 on Walmart, but break even. We can go right up to here. If this bar finishes right here, I'll just move my stop above this pivot right here. But I need another push. Another bar down. We can get this other bar to push down. There we go. Beautiful. We're on target. But now we're going to move our stop out above this bar right here. Because it's kind of extended right now. That's where we entered right here. So we should have another follow through. It's a solid red bar. See what happened on Nvidia. Still dumping. See, that's how the morning started. Indecision. You don't want to play these. Red and green. You end up with a soup rock. Palantir. Robinhood. Looks like Robinhood is on a grind today. Need to wait for a pullback. I like it. Think of Robinhood as Walmart, but in an uptrend. And green took out red right here. It's riding off that 8. We'll be focusing on Robinhood long. Needed to pull back a little bit. There's 2 more push, I believe 2 more green bars. What is it at right now? 89. I do like Robinhood. This bar got annihilated right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're going to take one off right here too. There's $87 right there. See if Robinhood give us that pullback. Might take another one off on Walmart. How are we going to get stopped out? Look at the drop we got. That's fine. He's going to go back up here. If red took out green again, we'll short it. I'm still have my target on 118 on this thing. This is going to be a beautiful trade if we can get it. If it pulls right to here. And we have a good bar like this. See how the greens are solid bars compared to the red, they're weak. I hit that 10 grand today. I'm going to try to do that. So far, it's respecting that 8 all the time. Takes that little bar right here. That'll be my enter it. Missed it. Went ahead and entered 50 shares on Robinhood. There's another 50. So we're in 100 shares on Robinhood so far. I'm going to build a position on this thing. Every time it dumps, I'm going to add to it. There we go. If we get another push. The way I play this, every time it's away from the 8, I'll take some profits. You can play these trades when you see the stock is respecting the 8. Every time the red gets taken out, just enter. Red gets taken out, just enter. But it'll keep grinding up. Don't let these swings, like, I added more to it. This can go for hours. I'm going to add more right here. We're up to 175 shares. Added some more. Just load it up. It should load up on these orders right here. Hopefully we get these orders. Here we go, sweet. It's gonna drop our average down. Hoping to get these three orders right here. It was a little pokey. I wanted to take these three orders. My stop will be underneath at 200. I'm risking a lot on this play, but I'm confident in it. That's just here. You're gonna liquidate as many. A little bit more room right here. Or like this, it broke the 200, touched it. Hoping to get a pokey all the way to here, we'll exit. Not, we're gonna take this loss. this bar continues, we should have 2 bar pushes, hopefully. Just 2 bars, that's it. If this bar get no follow through on it, we'll pull back to that 86. Need to go to here. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I try to drop my average with that 2 bar push. You'd stay close to that 8. There's a chance it might shoot above that 8. I'm gonna reduce my losses right here. Oh, the 8 is dropping hard. I don't like this. All right, that's good. We didn't take a full hit on this. Reduce our losses almost at break even. I sold another 500 right there. I still have 75 shares short. That's it. I just that drop was hard, almost at the 50%. So still up for the day. We get back like $200. I'll be shorting Walmart right here. If this gets taken out, I'll be shorting Walmart. this green gets taken out, I'll be shorting Walmart. 118 is the target. Put my stop at underneath the 200 on display right here. Why did it take? Oh, I was short. I should have put it long. Ooh, long, long, long. We got whacked early. Keep screwing up on that. Look at that. If this bar gets taken out, we're shorting Walmart right here. The reason I stayed with this, it's kind of like I shouldn't have done that. I should have exited. It's part of this game because the momentum is up. So right now it's like right at the 50%. If this is going to collapse or doesn't create a new high, might continue. Oh my God, I missed it. I wanted to enter right here. Oof. It pulls back again, we'll add to it. 500 short Walmart. There we go, give us a chance to enter. Add to it, whatever they gave us. 900 share short Walmart. First profit take will be right here. I'm gonna take 500 off right here. I don't want to take 600 shares, that's fine. Stop above this bar right here. Risking $294 on display. If you watch my trades, I always take profit at $100. I take 100 shares off. Need this bar to be broken. Need to break that 20 right here. I'll be reducing here, reducing. Okay. If it takes this bar, I'll add them back. I added the 200 shares back. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to respect that 8. I'm going to try to liquidate these guys to continue short. So that's where everybody shorted right here. They started here. So the stop is right here. I don't want to be above everybody. I'm going to reduce a little bit here. Wow, we got hit on it. Unbelievable. Failed. They took our juice. We should have created a new low. Let's see if they liquidate this. I want to see how this bar is going to do. Damn it. See how they liquidated everybody right here. If this bar get fully taken out with red, for sure a new low's coming. If not, this play is no longer valid. You want this bar to get eliminated right here. It's like Robinhood's picking up steam again. We're still not out of the danger zone right here. Comes, it dipped again. They liquidated all the longs here. Might fire it back up. They pushed it down, they failed. And this bar here did not get taken out. These are solid green bars. He tricked everybody into the new low, but it didn't happen. So target's 200 right now. Comes the new high. They really liquidated now, everybody. See if this bar gets wiped off. Because I'm still going short on this play. My bias, I mean, is short. This bar gets taken out right here. It should have ran right here. This one should have ran all the way to here. Go, they try to push it up right here, failed too. I need a green bar to wipe off all the threads right here. I'm gonna take a stab at this right here. Put my stop right underneath that red right here. Let's see if we can get stopped out on this bar. Or is it gonna continue green? Oh, I took the green off. Let's see. Got taken out. Damn it. Got stopped out on that Robin Hood. We were doing good this morning. We gave all the money back. Let's see. Taking Walmart long. Keep bouncing off that 8 right here. Robin Hood should be a short right here. Probably gonna drop to 83.75. This is one of my favorite plays right here. Keeps touching that 8 and it bounced, touching that 8 and it bounced, till all the way to cracks that 200. We'll see if this one's gonna hold. Right there on that 8 again, I'm gonna buy it. Should hit our target right now. I would reduce here if you enter this position right here on this bar. Would reduce at that 75. That's another solid red. It's going to continue. See how they, see how they're full red bars. Tells you who's in charge here. This thing collapsed, just completely collapsed. I'm gonna add to Walmart another one right here. I'm out. It failed out. Probably is going to go to that new low. I was hoping for it to touch that 200, but it didn't. 18. That's the target right here. I was gonna short, but I was hoping to get it right here. I needed to pull back just a hair. Freaking trapped everybody. Let's look for something else. See how the market's doing overall. Gap and craft everywhere. Stopping down, down. That IPO is liquidating everybody, man. Everybody's reducing, I guess, for the Friday. Trying to see the sentiment in the market. It's all short, short, short. Starbucks kicking ass. Everything else is just like picture perfect. I'm gonna short Tesla right here. could make us $1,000 right underneath the 220. It's tight range and everything. So it should be good. Stop loss above that 200. And give it all the room in the world for it to work out. This is a Hail Mary. It can give us all our money back. Tesla dropped to 397. They're only giving me 257 shares, so. For 185. That's our average price. My target on this play is $400. It's magic number right here. Need that rig to get bigger, a little bit more bigger. Just play some music, man. My eyes are like watery.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
See if that Tesla give us that money, hopefully. I'm gonna reduce one right here. Let's see if it works. If not, you can add them right at that 20. Tesla's taking its sweetest time. I'll take one off. This is the second attempt. Take another one off right here. I know. I know they gave us that money. Fight. I'm shorting Robinhood right here. Thousand shares of Robinhood short. Took one off. Took another one off. And that's the mistake, not leaving a runner. Like this solid red right here. They added 200 shares. I'll take them off right now. I'm reducing on Robinhood.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
And we give some money on this play. Did hit our target. Ooh. There's a solid bar on Tesla. 400, 397. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a day. We're done for today. Please, if you like the contest, I like to trade in the morning mainly. That's where I make my money. My first two trades in the morning. Please, if you like the contest and if what you see, please follow and share. Thanks, everyone. We'll fight another day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.